Today's edition of Sexy, we have so good to say about Casablanca Victorian. That's right, bitches. I do have one. Got information from Gabe for $20, I believe. I believe so. And keep everything except for the turtles, of course, and they hit you. But it's okay. I still got, cause I could never find one for that cheap stuff. The Blades album of the original I used to live pretty soon. But they wanted to give me ripping it, and they were great, so. It's in good shape. I cleaned the blades a lot on the volley clean. Probably a little digger, but it's not too bad. Wobbles a lot. Cause it's on my back and stuff. And you ain't coming back. I use more from the fame out my do all that. Yeah, it needs to be clean more of it. Bands are shot. The bang of what they was, the one before they get pretty quiet, not completely, but scratching this stuff really off. It just comes back. We'll do a close up for you bastards. Pretty sure it's a W level. It barely double W1. That's what I'm using, right? What's the sign? So. Sorry, no, it's not a video because it's either. I don't got time for that. And take glass. See, I don't know, but I doubt the visual. It's got my screen all day, too. And could tell I can't tell my screen because the lights are going on my screen. Cause see, Burbeck and Mark? Yeah, but I'm pretty sure he's the one to get me with it. If not, oh well, looks good. Tag, just more familiar with the years, so you guys can figure out. Some level stuff. It didn't come fat. It didn't come blade screws. If it did, I couldn't find, so I put those. I'm missing more screws for this side, that one. I was missing more blade bracket screws that go on blade, but that's right. Blades, there's that match, this one's more glossy. Same controls being used on every test I have pretty much. So. We'll put the little bastards on the back on the trip here. Sorry, hon. I'll make sure it's into one side. Turn on. Let's start off with demo mode. I finished the first Scottish block out of any problems with yet with the control and stuff. Because it came from my fan crafter. I think I have 10 custom buckets now. It's gonna take a second because there's no light on it. Oh, torch, right? Oh. Yeah, let's go with that. I'm going here, bands here. So it's a clock ticking. This thing's a monster. Not streaking yet. Alright, the ring clock now. Well, it's pretty man high. monster. Alright. Speed 1. Are they not turn back on like a dumb fuck? It had trouble stung up before. It stung up just right now. It been really bad about all of them. What line they got back to a spin. It's what called me talk my character. Yeah. Arizona Speed 1. It does speed just make it look sexy. It's not really either. It is speed 2 is when it starts running. In my boy, with the speeds came for it. It's good for it, a restaurant. Speed 2 is what we want for a restaurant. 6 minutes, like, god damn. Let's go speed 2. I don't know. Forgot to check the camera when I turn on speed 1 something right now. How about was on speed 1 for? Don't make noise. Can't hear because that fucking clock. Yeah, so slow speed. This is a restaurant speed here. There's one more here. Actually, both this much as a regular fan mode was pretty crazy because regular fan mode was a lot faster than this. And hard for headphones. That's why I lose these on if it stay up here where don't consistently. But my been using it's been on 4 and 5 mostly to help the balance. Alright, speed 3, here we come. Ow. Start doing something. This is really nice looking. This is how fast most things go up. When I come up to it, it's like a medium almost. Yeah, it's like a medium for a cheap fan. I can hear the balance. You guys probably can't go too far away. I'm not gonna keep pulling out the camera closer. Sorry. Before this medium, there's a guy speeding on a cheap whore. Yeah, pretty much. And when it starts on, it was just 10 minutes before. We're not ain't going nowhere. And speed 5, all is pretty good. We ain't going nowhere. High speed 6, pretty bad. I don't think it's good on me. But I just don't really want 6 or 2. But it won't be bad for video. Video, I won't make it short for video. You just see how speed for you one more time. She goes, shut the fuck up. Symmetry cheese. Speed 5. Ben's big quiet now. I'm here, but not doing a scratchy sound. It's good for its spot spinning, even though it's some fools. And yeah. I go like this, almost slow, kinda, but that don't matter cause it fucking boosts so much here. As a kid, I always wanted Casablancas, and they're going on my ear. I got 4 that's FM mission this year. That's pretty crazy. And I should only got 1 fan mission before I can get in, cause of extensive, not rich mails. But I was bought by better fans this year, cause I have more money. I have my government money on it. You can't hear it shaking the sound. That's pretty fast and high. I'll probably not be under it. I'm gonna see it on camera. It's shaking pretty good. Oh, yeah, it's pretty damn fast. Some reason it looks slower for. Very bad. It's been pretty quiet right now. Still let one fall and not really turn off. That's when the brain's full. I put all my guts into it. And I have this with dumb. This one, ugh. Need to warm my going about my tits on test when I someone do that. Spin down. I can't hear rain now. Pretty good spin down, touch the short. I think I might be showing yesterday. Yeah. Church acted like it's all showing yesterday. Because I wasn't wearing all day. So I haven't turned on the thing over 2 minutes for a video. So hasn't really wearing. So it's my cat. So about that, guys, I thought one of my cats was scratching a new carpet. I don't want them doing that. We don't want them scratching the carpet. Because it just got put in a couple months ago. I'm gonna say mom do it the video, but I'm getting bigger team here eventually. So, very nice. $1 million ain't bad, it's one big one. It's not bad though. I want an actual smart one too. It's one everything has a fast stick. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna do. I'm not going to really make a noise. The what? This is speed 1. I shouldn't go so as long as I do with 4. That's just why I never take that control off the wall. So I put my up, we're ready to go. speed 2, speed 3. I got test on my Casablanca and while actually now I test the Zephyr thing at Emerson. This is where I go so this video his before and I tested the 4 seasons. Now this. I feel I am a door here. So that's my fridge. Cause I went tomorrow. B5, I think that's on this road tomorrow. Follow speed. You okay there, fam? You stiff? You should be spinning like a motherfucker. Just from that stiff, I don't know what's going on. There it goes. My Opal from most spending was so weird. It's not stiff either at all. I better turn off what kills me. Just the dad's fingers fast you think it would. The best at first, people say it's best to do while it's on. What do you say high for you? Oh, you can hear birds again. See, my spin, good fan, spin was from forward. Alright. Speed 4. Talk to Benjamin. I hope you're enjoying this video. Like, subscribe, and peace out, pussies.